everyone. In this class, I am going to start the chapter Atomic Structure. As we know that the elements are pure substances made up of similar kind of atom. Atom is the smallest part of element. What is atom? Atom is the smallest part of element. Atoms are also called the building blocks of matters. We know that the house made of bricks. Here, atoms are the bricks and the matter is the house. Clear? Talking about ancient concept of atom, around 1000 years ago, a great Indian philosopher named Maharishi Kanad stated that all matter around us is made of very teeny and indivisible particle. He called that indivisible particles is Paramanu. This word Paramanu is broken two parts, Param and Anu. This word Param means ultimate and Anu means particle. So whole sentence, the ultimate particle which is indivisible. The ultimate particle which is indivisible is Paramanu. Later, the Greek philosopher Democritus called these particles is atomos. Atomos. This word atomos is the Greek word. As he was a Greek philosopher, so the atomos word is Greek word which means indivisible. Later, this word atomos was pronounced by atom. So, we can see that from where the atom word, the word atom is found. The major concept of atomic structure or atom, the major concept of atom is given by John Dalton. John Dalton first stated his theory of atomic structure or atom in 1808. Let's go to the main points of Dalton's theory. Dalton said that number 1, matter is made up of teeny indivisible particles which is called atoms. Second, atoms are the smallest particle of matter which is indivisible, cannot be divided further. Number 3, atoms of the same elements are same and different elements are different. For the example, atoms of carbons are same. All atoms of carbons are same. All atoms of copper are same. But atoms of carbon and atoms of copper is totally different from each other. Number 4, the number and types of atom in a compound are always fixed. For the example, water is a compound. We know that water is a compound which is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. There are 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atoms of oxygen. And they are combined to form the compound water. Atoms, number 5, atoms neither be created nor be destroyed. Number 6, atoms combine in a whole number ratios to form a compound. For example, in CO2, we know carbon dioxide, the ratio of carbon and oxygen. In carbon dioxide, there is 2 types of atom. One is carbon and another is oxygen. The ratio of carbon and oxygen of atom is 1:2. In another example, in ammonia, NH3, we know that there is two types of atom. One is nitrogen and another is hydrogen. The ratio of nitrogen and hydrogen atom is 1:3. So these are the main points of Dalton's atomic theory. One of the most important point in this theory is that in second points we see that atoms are the smallest particle of matter and cannot be divided further. But later on 19th century, late 19th century or early 20th century, some studies and sources note that atom is not the smallest particle and atom is divisible. They are composed still smaller particles, namely electron, proton and neutron. These are called subatomic particles and also called fundamental particles. So, proton, electron and neutrons are the fundamental particles or subatomic particles of a matter. Now, it's complete. Thank you.